Hey guys, welcome back to my tech. In today's video, we are going to talk about an amazing tool called Walter Wright's AI. In today's world, with the rise of content creation, Walter Wright's AI is an tool that helps transform AI generated content into a human like writing. If you are creating content using AI and it feels a bit robotic, this tool is perfect for you. Walter writes AI takes your written content and reworks it to make it sound natural and professional. In addition to this, the tool also allows you to detect AI content. So, if you need to verify whether content has been generated by AI, it helps with that too. It works across 80 plus language, meaning you can create content in vertically and language if you want to keep your content original, and then Walter Wright's AI is an fantastic option to consider. Walter Wright's AI is an platform that helps transform AI generated content into more natural human like writing. It's designed for content creators who want their AI content to sound more professional and less robotic. In addition to content enhancement, the tool also offers an AI content detection feature, allowing you to verify if a piece of content was generated by an AI. Walter Wright's AI support over 80 plus languages, making it accessible for a global audience. Granted, it ensures your content remains original and unique. When I opened the website, I was present three main options: a human AI text, detects AI text, and next gen humanizer. I started by opening a new tab with ChatGPT. It into the detect AI section on Walter Wright's AI. Then click the scan button. It intensely told me that this script was AI generated. Now I wanted to see if I could make it sound more human like. So I switched to the human AI text option. Once there, I paste the same text and select readability. This option lets you choose from different categories like university, college, and school. For the proposer, I selected general, and next I choose the detection bypass level with options like simple, standard, and enhanced. I went with the enhanced level for better quality. After clicking the humanize and scan, it took a moment. Then AI text was transformed into a more human like variant. To double check, I paste the converted text back into the detection AI section, and this time it showed that the text was completely humanized. Finally, I tested into Zero GPT, which also confirmed that the text was 100% humanized generated and 0% AI generated. Walter Wright's AI is a powerful tool that makes it increasingly easy to transform AI generated content into a human like text. Its interface and advanced features like AI text detection and readability option make it must have for content creators. Today video, I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Walter Wright's AI and saw how easily you can transform AI language, how you can transform AI generated content into a more human like professional tech. Whether you are a blogger, content creator, or business owner, this tool is a game changer for anyone looking to make their writing sound natural. I highly recommended giving Walter Wright's AI a try if you tired of robotic sounding AI text and want to ensure your content is authentic with its advanced features like AI detection, readability option, and detection bypass level. It's truly one of the best tool out of 3, plus it supports over 80 language, so no matter where you're from, you can use it to enhance your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more tech tutorials. Stay tuned for more awesome content on my tech. See you in the next video.